So today, I'll be showing you how you can charge your OnePlus 13. So during the unboxing process, you received a charging brick and also a cable so that you can be able to actually charge your OnePlus 13. So in order for you to start charging, you have to actually connect the cable to the brick. So look for the port and simply insert this USB side into the port like that. Then once you've inserted it into the port, you want to now connect this charging brick to a power supply. Once you've connected it to a power supply, you then want to insert this USB-C end into your OnePlus 13 like that. And then your phone should light up, giving you an animation, meaning that your OnePlus is actually charging successfully. So if you see this animation, or if you've actually disabled animations, then you can just tell by looking at the status bar. With this lightning icon on this battery icon, it means that your OnePlus is actually charging. So you can just switch off the phone and let it continue charging. If you don't have the cable, or if you didn't find it, then you can always just use a regular Type-C cable. Just ensure that you actually have it connected to a power supply and that it's actually inserted into your OnePlus so that it can charge. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.